In this video we're going to show you how to remove the rear light from an Audi A3 8P. This is a 3-door model. Tool you need for the job: the flat screwdriver that you can find in the toolkit in the boot. Open the boot and locate the access hole behind the light there. You'll see there's a small slot in it. Put your flat screwdriver in. Wind that out. Wind that all the way out and keep it to one side. To remove the light, pull it away on the inside just till the threads come out the hole. Once they're just past there, you need to pull the light towards you sideways out of the car. I find like wiggling it till they come out. And there you can see the two balls on the light, and they go into the body there through the two rubber grommets. You need to pull it out towards you to the side of the vehicle. Now you can remove the wiring plug from the back of the light using your flat screwdriver again. Put it in the gap in the top and just turn it so it releases the little tab, and the plug will pull towards you and away from the vehicle.